Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bones TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV, cause I just a blessing, manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyaka, scatter.
Mama, I wake up to my mother, buzz off my phone. As I see her miss call, I go check my email, flag cancelled. Dog, when I tell you, I say, whoever I walk up here, I not pay extra. I'm not lying. The mobile are strong. So me and mommy have to look for flights. Then Lati wake up, I know, but Lati have her baby and stuff. Let's talk Instagram. Yeah, so it was just a whole thing this morning, man. But I'm back home in Jamaica. See mama here. She not like a fan.
Hey mama. Mama. You're not gonna show my mama. You're not showing me the food. We need some food. You're gonna show my mama.
Drink my tea. I eat my Sunday Monday. That man make no know. He ain't gonna lie. Put this pan in a sink for me. Now come.
But look, you know, say you can't go with Spirit. Alright, so once I decided to go with Spirit, right? And all along me I fly with JetBlue, I fly with American Airlines. The one time I choose to go with Spirit is the one time them call me out of the line and search me. And I'm like,
it's so bad. And then I've been on hold since after 6 morning because I have this WhatsApp thing where I can get miles back or some shit like that, or get a refund. I've been clicking the refund option forever and it's just not happening. So I will show the screenshot on my Instagram for you guys. Like every time they say, do you want to hold or call back? And I'm like, no, I stay on hold. This has been going on for about 10 or so hours now. I've been on hold with Spirit, just waiting for them to WhatsApp me back.
That's crazy.
It's horrible. That's horrible. And I was so scared that I was not going to go home and start crying. And I said no, because I was physically getting sick.
Oh, great skin. Are you that? Yeah. Big superstar.
No yet.
No. We're talking into being big superstar. Just accept it.
Oh, no.
But they are just the lyric and her Spirit drama.
Yo, man, it's like when them days of our lives and sunset and all them little up gossip show there. I swear, bro.
That's crazy. Blood cleanse, that's crazy. Alright guys, so I guess we're all here. So earlier I made the announcement that Nikki is not going to be on because she had a death in her family. Someone very close to her. I don't want to say exactly because she never gave me permission to say exactly, but just someone passed away in her family last night. So we're sending her lots of love and blessing and strength in this time that she's going through it. So I just made the announcement now. So she's not going to be on tonight for the people who just joining. But we just want to send her love and bless her up anyway with it. And I'm actually going to drink this for her because you know she loves our wine and our alcohol. So I'm actually having this for her so because she's here in spirit.
Spirit.
Yeah, spirit, they call that spirit. Alright, so let's get to the hot topics. 1, 2, 3 sweep. I want to feel about that.
Oh, go for the
natural life, when you really want to Shelly win. But we know that we never did that go win. The way Elaine did a move, we know that Elaine did a go win. But we don't want Shelly win because Shelly I'm a girl.
Yeah.
But 1, 2, 3 still good.
They know them not show all of the rest of the Jamaican them run a foreign. Them bad man, you're afraid.
Rage.
You're afraid. Your ears mess up, but come in here. When them not show it, or them finna show it, and now we are on. Them only care about themselves for any rest them in there. Hey, foreign, when they don't want to kill up on themselves, them very bad man over there. They don't want to kill up on themselves. People have to watch pan scam outside. See what they have to run. And I'm for them WhatsApp call.
But you see, I think everybody thought that Shelly was going to win. So everybody was Shelly, but I think the fact that Elaine defending her title, her championship, because she won the last Olympics as well. So the fact that she come and redeem herself, I think is something to celebrate. I'm thinking about it about Shelly since then. Yeah.
I feel like she kind of vexed still, but I'm going to go around it. After the race, she never look so happy, you know. But still glad for you, though.
Yeah, this was supposed to be her moment because remember the ad with her son, tomorrow my mom will be the fastest woman in the world.
Well, she'll be 200, so I'm going to see if she can.
But you know,
that one day.
Fast woman door. When I care about no type, when I care about the race, she's still the fastest. But don't.
Like that.
The fastest, she win.
I like that.
Fast.
Lyric, no, we have to give the people them flowers. She did a good job, but we have to give Elaine her flowers.
She deserves it, man. She deserves it.
Yeah. But she's still the second fastest woman in the world. She's not the Elaine, right?
I'm not even sure.
Yeah. Based on the time, or in history, I think she's the second fastest woman in history.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Never know.
Yeah.
Well, who's that? See that? Jamaica. Can't give it to them that.
But all right. So the women, this Olympics kind of different. So the women with the 1, 2, 3 doing great. But then on the other hand, the men in the 100 meter, they were absent.
No, fine. I could be honest. But if you say, Blake did I go make it to the finals?
I mean, not to be prayer, but damn.
This Olympics, everybody just step on the women. The men, them not do what they're supposed to do, man. You see me? What's his name again? From Calabar. Can't remember his name. One of him qualifying this morning for the 400.
Oh, what's his name?
Taylor.
Put his name in the comment section. I don't remember his name.
But Taylor, that's his name.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Him, it look like we might can say something good. Team final race. Hopefully. But as for the other team, them, that's the women the thing there for that area. That's the women.
I know because look at Megan Tapper. I mean, Jamaica never win a medal in that race. Ever at the Olympics.
Yeah.
Ever. And that little tiny girl, I'm sure she was shorter than Nickel. I'm sure she's smarter than Nickel. And like just that, I was so proud. That was such a proud moment for me.
Yeah, that will make history again. But it depends on the women for that area. And that, and the women. But me still I said, hope the man them can, but I really the women they cannot dead. You see me?
Woman power, the one time portion, not the Prime Minister, the woman.
Oh my God.
But did you see that Nicki Minaj made a post on Instagram in her Instagram story about Elaine and girl, big up Jamaica. Some other girl can't do it and some other girl and some along that line. Lyric, how you feel about that?
Well, big up, right true. I'm a huge Nicki Minaj fan and Rihanna. Those two are like my girls. So me I said, yeah, but alright, we'll take it. Jamaica, we'll take it. But them rates, I feel like Jamaica or athletes, they have placed us on the map. Map. And sports was like they're to the world for Jamaica what Bob Marley did for music to the world for Jamaica. Mm-hmm. Yes, we are a whole name. We are a force to be reckoned with. We are talented musically. I feel like we even have what artists them are representing all over the place. I don't know.
And you just go overseas, go like the place with the makeup classes. Don't forget yourself.
I'm just proud. We're little, but we're tell our for true. rather, out of many, one people. We are so talented.
Yeah.
We are feared ones, you know. Hey, so I go firm, the man them love Jamaican woman, and the man them hate Jamaican woman because we're very for nobody when I pet and pump and up there. Never. And the woman talk to each other because we sing loud. When we fly out, we sing loud, and over there, you know, the Jamaican in the building. We're DNA different, man, I swear. As Jamaicans, we're different, boy.
But you know, the thing was, so the commentator, right? He was saying that Jamaica have a lot of sprinters, but we've never been able to medal in that race, that top one that got the bronze medal in. So I was like, as him said that, and then she got medal, I was like, what the hell? This is what that's what I always know.
Can't chat too much. That way, so I say chat too much, you know. Watch my chat.
Yeah, man, as him say it. As him say it. I was like, damn, blood cleanse.
It's a whole experience being a Jamaican for true. It's a whole, and our athletes, them do it pro, first, second, third.
Yeah.
Qualify because the training that they have to go through just to make it to that moment, Yeah, you can't put yourself in. Them deserve it, man. I swear. Any medal I get.
Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bones TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV, cause I just a blessing, manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyaka, scatter.